Hey y'all, what's up, and welcome back to my channel of Aspire to Design. As you can see on the title, I'll be taking this out. If you're curious to see how I created this look, I'll post the link down below. It's a wig from Love Me, and it's a U part because I'm trying to look cute for Thanksgiving while I'm eating that turkey, baby. But yeah, so if you're interested to see how I transform, tuned. Hey guys, so I'm just showing you the products that I'll be using, from shampoo to conditioner to my protein pack that I'll be using. Yeah, so here's the straightener that I'll be using. It will be in the description box below. I'm using this. It's not expensive hair. This style is just going to be lasting me literally a week. I'm going to Vegas, not this weekend, but next weekend. So I just need something real quick for Thanksgiving. So this is a quick little ponytail with the wraparound thing. Something real simple, real simple. So yeah, my blow dryer, straightener, leave-in conditioner, got to be glue is the key. Heat protectant because I need to straighten my hair, shampoo, hair mayonnaise. I use both these products for my edges. Like I said, the deep conditioner. I use a detangle brush, one of these brushes, one of these combs, and I'll be using some clips and one of these too. So yeah, that's basically it. So stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And by the way, you might as well hit that notification bell so you can know when I have new videos posted up on my channel. Hey, stay in the loop. All right, hi guys. So I'm back. My hair is out and it needs to be washed. So basically, from Cream of Nature, the clay mask, the directions on dry hair, before shampooing, apply the mask to the hair section by making sure to cover the full head. Leave on top of the head for 10 minutes to absorb excess oils and impurities. Blah, 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 rinse thoroughly. That's what I'm gonna do. It's already sectioned here, so I'm just gonna section my hair off and then apply the mask. Alright, so I look funny, but my hair is in sections. I'll start with this section first. It's kind of a big section, but whatever. It smells pretty good. Is that how it goes on there like that? I don't know. I'm gonna do some co-wash too. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna add some in. So I have it all saturated. Comb through it, put it up with a little scrunchy thingy. I'm just gonna put this on my head for about 20 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out. I'm going to wash my hair. Then I'll do a deep condition. Rinse that out. I'm going to blow dry, straighten, and then do my style. I'm out of breath already just talking about it. Let's do it together, y'all. Here we go. Hey guys, so I just got out the shower, got dressed, and I put the deep conditioning in my hair. So I combed it through. And I'm gonna sit under the dryer just to add some heat up in there, like a real deep conditioning. You know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know I'm not no stylist. And let it sit for a while, for about 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. I'm going to connect my piece to my hair dryer and just sit under the dryer. Alrighty, so hair is straightened. I am going to now style my hair and slick this hair back. So I sectioned my hair off so that I can start small and work my way up. So here we go. Hi guys, so I hope you guys liked this creation. I hope it was very easy for you guys. It was super easy for me. It turned out a lot cuter than I thought. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video.